Hi all, it's very good news that joining for Indian Army Dental Corps 2020, the advertisement and information brochure has published. Now, I read out the advertisement and I'll also discuss about the dates, last date for application and how to apply. So let's start. Application are invited from Indian citizens, both male and female, for grant of short service commission in the Army Dental Corps. Vacancies are also good for this year. 43 vacancies are there. Qualification: candidates must be BDS or MDS, having passed from college or university recognized by DCI. But for BDS, the minimum mark in the final year should be 55%. Now, he or she should have completed 1 year compulsory rotated internship as mandated by DCI by 31st March 2020 and must be in possession of permanent dental registration certificate of State Dental Council or DCI valid at least up to 31st December 2020. Now, there is a note: only those candidates who have appeared in the NEET MDS 2020 conducted by NBE New Delhi on 20 December 2019 at various examination center of NBE are eligible to apply. Candidates must submit the copy of mark sheet or scorecard of NEET MDS 2020 along with the application. So eligibility criteria: BDS with 55% marks in final year and must have appeared NEET MDS 2020. Now the age limit: 45-year age as on 31st December 2020. Now look into some important dates. Now at a glance, important dates: availability of information brochure and online application on the website 30 June 2020. Last day of submission of online application duly completed 30 July 2020. My advice is to submit the duly completed form online application uh, before 25th July. Don't go for the last date. All other relevant timelines information, if any, will be made available on the Indian Army website. So candidates are requested to visit the website regularly for update. www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. So you have to strictly adhere with this website for any information. Now, important notice: candidates are advised to log on to the this site www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. Select the options Army Dental Corps under officer selection or use the following link. There is a link, and submit the application online. Only online applications will be accepted. So the procedure for online application: either you have to go to the www.joinindianarmy.nic.in and you have to go to the officer selection section, then you have to go into Army Dental Corps, or you have to go to the this link directly: www.joinindianarmy.nic.in/dental/eligibility. You have to go to this section and you have to submit your application. But as per their brochure, availability of online application on website 30 June 2020. So just check out. If there is no option for that, wait till 30 June 2020. And of course, read the all the information brochure that is available in the official website carefully. Then only submit your application, and also submit your application very carefully. Very carefully fill your all the things, and what the things are needed to submit with the application, like mark sheets of NEET, scorecard, and other things that will mention in the information brochure. Send everything carefully. Take times. 1 month time is enough. Then how to prepare for the interview? I had already posted many videos and I will post one or two videos in coming days before your examination. And best, all the best. Read carefully, prepare carefully, and also submit the application carefully. Thank you very much.